Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring the Sydney Opera House, Australia, a place where cutting-edge design meets timeless harbor views, and the spirit of art and culture shines at the edge of the Pacific. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of the Sydney Opera House together. Welcome to Sydney, Australia. A city where modern innovation meets breathtaking coastal beauty. And standing proudly along the shimmering waters of Sydney Harbour is one of the world's most recognizable landmarks, the Sydney Opera House. With its striking white sail-like design, the Opera House isn't just a building, it's a masterpiece of architecture and creativity. Designed by Danish architect Jørgen Utzon, it opened in 1973 and has since become a global symbol of Australia's artistic spirit and cultural pride. From a distance, the Opera House looks like it's floating above the water, its iconic shells catching the golden light of sunrise and glowing beautifully against the vibrant colors of sunset. Walk closer and you'll discover intricate tile patterns covering its soaring structures, a blend of engineering precision and artistic vision that has inspired generations. But the Opera House isn't only admired from the outside. Step inside and you enter a world of music, theater, and creativity. With multiple performance halls, it hosts over 1,500 events each year, from opera and ballet to concerts and theater. It's a living, breathing cultural hub where the world's greatest artists come to perform under its stunning acoustics. Beyond performances, the Opera House offers guided tours, restaurants with waterfront views, and open spaces where visitors can relax and soak in the harbor breeze. From its steps, you'll have an unbeatable view of Sydney Harbour Bridge, another jewel of the city skyline. The best time to visit? Evening hours, when the Opera House is illuminated against the night sky, reflecting beautifully in the water. And if you come during the annual Vivid Sydney Festival, you'll witness the sails transform into a glowing canvas of lights and colors, turning the Opera House into a work of digital art. The Sydney Opera House is more than just a destination. It's an experience that celebrates art, architecture, in the spirit of Australia. Whether you're watching a world-class performance, taking in panoramic harbor views, or simply marveling at its design, this landmark promises unforgettable memories. So, on your next journey to Sydney, make sure to stand before this icon of creativity and let the sails of the Opera House guide you into the heart of Australia's cultural soul. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Sydney Opera House. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.